Yeah, thanks for checking out another Pocket Beats video. So kick, snare, hats, just some simple kind of drum and bass beats, but we're gonna make them a little different. We're gonna spice them up a little bit with the master track. The master track's gonna, I suppose, transpose. I might be using the wrong word there, but master track, we used it before to help with chord progressions and stuff, but in this case it's doing something pretty different. You know, it's changing the kick to a different kick. It's changing the snare to a different snare. And it's changing the hats to a different hat. And so, you know, putting it on for 2 bars, then taking it off. It's pretty interesting. It is very random though, so there'll be some in here that we don't really like. Right, I don't know. I'm just gonna skip through some of them. And I do remember I might have adjusted the attack on the little hi-hat / shaker sound that I used. So for some of these other sounds, which don't have such a sharp kind of attack to them, the effect is a bit extreme. But some of these like kick and snare change-ups I really like. You know, it could be really interesting if you did 3 bars without it, and then on the final bar, put in one of these variations. I think that could be really cool. And then back to the beat. It's kind of an interesting effect, I think. So yeah, that was with one beat, but I have another one here that we can check out as well. Let's switch it over. That's the kick. So that extra kick jumps in just on the last one through. And here we've got like a little lead up snare before each of the main snares, and that's just like a lower velocity. The cymbal pattern I really like. See that first one? You can see how it flashes a few times on that, right? It's set to, I think, play it 3 times. So the first time it goes through, it's like on the beat. Then the second time's off the beat. Anyway, I think this has a pretty cool effect. Like that cymbal part is so strong and aggressive that having a small break from it every now and then, maybe not with a guero, but with something else is pretty cool, I think. But yeah, some of these little like randomized, I suppose they're randomized, almost randomized. There must be some formula to them. But with any of these, you know, making like a B section could be really cool, right? You've got like a main bit and then, I don't know, you're like, oh, let's do a little breakdown. And then come back, you know. Some of them are pretty, you know, unexpected. And, you know, like any of these effects, if you overuse them, it just kind of becomes a bit chaotic. You need a little bit of a, you know, comfort zone. But yeah, some of them are a little heavy-handed, some of them feel like they're just right. But maybe in a live performance, like a little random session like this where you kind of jump around, that could be alright, you know? Especially if you can remember which ones you like. Like, I remember liking this one a lot. But again, go too much and something doesn't work about it. So use in moderation, especially with those crash cymbals. Alright, thanks for watching.